ちは。
こんにちは。
なにです。
マニです。文法語へようこそ。文法語では教科書通りではなく、本当に使える日本語を勉強します。
Today is JLPT N4 and the grammar point is
じゃないか。
In the textbook, じゃないか is listed as isn't it? And a thing like, oh, it's like that, isn't it? Like, これじゃないか or じゃないですか the more formal version, right? But as I've learned, it's too risky to just use it without checking the rules.
Point is, じゃないですか is fine, totally fine.
Right.
Yeah. But じゃないか sounds very weird. 例えば, if you make sure something,
Confirm something.
You can use like, これは誰々の本じゃないか. But I recommend you don't use it in daily conversation. There is a big reason. Because it's 役割語.
Okay.
Yeah. It sounds too mannish.
Okay.
It sounds old Japanese man.
Old man.
So that's why you can hear lots in anime or TV drama, right? But if you use suddenly あなたはスペイン人じゃないか it sounds very weird.
Right.
It's like the word for writing. First of all, it's word for writing, and second, it's kind of 役割語
Okay.
for man. Do you know 極戦? Yes, you know. Like we are making video about that drama, right? Yankumi is the main character. Nakama Yukie is acting the super strong character. Like she's always using じゃないか because she's a bit mannish and strong, right? So they try to exaggerate her character. That's 役割語
Right. But I think it's kind of easy to remember and it sounds nice on the mouth, like じゃないか. So I think a lot of foreigners are using it a lot.
You can use like これは何の本じゃない It's totally fine. But if you
What
put
about-
ka,
What about じゃないかな?
it's fine. It's
Right.
fine. Yeah.
But じゃないか,
Ka
okay?
sounds super weird.
Right. So just basically, just understand what it means. It means right, but never use it. Unless you're a really old man in an anime.
Yeah, and also if you use じゃないか, it sounds like you're a bit in power.
Okay.
And using that word, you are saying something to more lower
People.
social status people.
Yeah, you're looking down on people.
Yeah.
なるほど。
いいんじゃない？鈴木さん、もう帰ったんじゃないかな。漢字が少し苦手でもいいじゃない。よくないよ。もっと頑張ります。